Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Jaclyn Cosmetics mystery box. I haven't ordered anything from this brand in a long time, since probably like a few years ago, when there's like a big controversy that happened. So I personally really love mystery boxes. They're my absolute favorite. You just don't know what you're going to get, and I just really love that. So I wanted to give this brand like another shot. I will say, however, I was kind of upset because when I went on exactly at the time that it launched, like most of them were already sold out. It must have been put on the website like a few minutes before the actual time. So before I start this video, I just wanted to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, Franny Waffles. Thank you so much for your support. Alrighty, so if you want to see what I got, then let's just get to it. So it literally just came in this white box. The tape has the Jaclyn Cosmetics logo on it. So when you open it up, it just says Jaclyn. Alrighty, so here is the mystery box. It just has the Jaclyn logo, and it's like a nice, sleek, shiny box. It just opens right up, so let's open her up. So I want to say this is the smallest one, the $25 one, because all the others, like I said, were sold out before it even launched, so I was really upset about that. But I was excited I was able to get one of the small boxes. So I'm interested to see what's inside of it. Like, is it brand new product or what? Alrighty, so this is just what the inside of the box looks like. It has a lot of black little like decoration paper, and then it looks like there's like 4 different products in here. So I do really love this packaging. It's like red into ombre, and it has little like specks here. That's super cute. So it looks like the first item we have is a liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Clingy. Let's see what shade this is. Okay, so is it like a... yeah, it's like a reddish orange shade. This is what the packaging looks like. Just a red cap, says the Jaclyn logo. Let's see if this smells like anything. Kind of reminds me of like a watermelon scent. Oh, that's a pretty shade. So it's a pretty like orangey red shade. That's super vibrant. It looks like it glided really nice too. So I'm excited to try it out on my lips. I want to say this box was $25 for the 4 lips. So we have another liquid lipstick. I'm guessing these probably all are lips, but this is in the shade Boy Bye. The packaging says long wearing luxe matte color in a gorgeous date night red. So luxe matte. So it's supposed to be long wearing, and I'm guessing like a hydrating matte. Okay, so this is like a deeper color. I'm going to have to swatch this because in the actual packaging, I'm not a very big fan of that shade. But let's swatch her and see how she turns out. Just reading the bottom of this, it says it's made in Italy. So that's interesting. It glides really nicely. Yeah, this is like a deeper, cool toned red. I do like it swatched like much better than I like it in the tube. I feel like it's a really nice kind of fall or just like date night red. It is definitely pretty. Not my favorite shade, but it is super nice for fall. Alright, so next we have a glitter gloss, which if you know me, you know I love my glosses. This is in the shade 24 Karat. Ooh, I think this one is like square packaging. Yes, love that. So this one is a yellowy gold glitter gloss. This smells really good. It smells like minty fresh. I'm not even sure if it's going to show up on camera, but it's a pretty soft yellowy gold. It doesn't feel like very sticky either, so I'm going to have to try it on my lips to see. I don't know. I have to try it out to really see if it's sticky. It's definitely like lighter. It's not really like super like dark or like pigmented. It's definitely more of like an overlay gloss, I feel like. But I will try it and see how I like the formula. Alrighty, we have a liquid lipstick in the color Committed. Okay, so this one looks really similar to the first one, at least in the packaging. It looks like another kind of like orangey red, maybe a little more of a cool toned red, but definitely looks similar in the actual packaging. Yeah, this one's definitely more of a cool toned red for sure. That's more of a warmer red. This is definitely cooler. So summer, winter. So I feel like out of all of these shades, so far the shade Committed is my favorite shade. So I will probably try that one out first, but I'm excited to see how the formula wears. These shades have already dried down, so they're matte. Not really like transferring or anything, so I'm excited to try these. So I'm not sure how much these retail for. I tried looking on the website and there's nowhere to shop at the moment, so I guess it was just a release for the mystery boxes and they're gonna release product later. So I don't know. I'm assuming this was a great value for liquid lipsticks and one gloss for $25. But I don't know the exact value of each of these. But what do you guys think? Do you think this mystery box was worth it for $25? I really do love getting mystery boxes though, so if you guys do know of any other like beauty mystery boxes, definitely let me know. If you guys have made it this far, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you know when I post next. If you want to throw in a thumbs up too, I'd really appreciate that. It does help me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!